Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DGAZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame, that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Now remember, this is a leveraged ETF, so this is definitely not any sort of investment, I should say, vehicle. This is strictly for trading, and from a trading perspective, I just want to map out some areas of support and resistance, and we'll see how this thing plays out. But yeah, as a little context here, I mean, this thing has just gotten absolutely hammered over the past couple of weeks. But the interesting thing about when something gets hammered, and then you pile on top of it, but that's also a leveraged ETF, there can be some pretty crazy bounces, and that's kind of in my mind worth at least watching. So as it stands right now, potential bottom, and there's nothing crazy difficult about this other than the fact that the bleeding finally stopped today right there around $6.25. Now, does that mean it's for sure the bottom? Of course not. There's been plenty of other times where the price has gone sideways and it wasn't the bottom. But my point here is it's at least logical to question if this is the bottom. Case in point, when the price was falling and falling and falling, at no point during that junction in time to say, I wonder if that's the bottom. I wonder, why would you think that's the bottom when all the price was just going straight down, right? Well, here at least the price is starting to go sideways to a little bit of extent. So again, is this the bottom? I don't know, but is it at least logical to wonder? Yeah, it's logical at this point. So in the event 625 is some sort of bottom and the price starts to bounce, where are some areas of resistance at? Initial area of resistance on any sort of bounce right here, this former area of support at $6.75. If the price can push up through there, the next key level up there at $7.25. Then, of course, just keep an eye from an overarching perspective here at that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. So all in all, though, interesting setup. And like I said, not when you combine the fact that the technical chart setup is also that of a 3 times leveraged ETF. Things could get pretty exciting. We'll see what happens. It should be an interesting next couple of days. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.